parameters of a pressure sensor may vary depending on the specific type of sensor and its intended application. However, some common parameters of pressure sensors include pressure range. This is the range of pressures that the sensor is designed to measure. It may be expressed in units such as psi, bar, or pa. Sensitivity. This refers to the amount of output signal change for a given change in pressure. It is typically measured in units such as mV, V, or % of full-scale output. Accuracy. This is a measure of how close the sensor's output is to the true value of the pressure being measured. It is usually expressed as a percentage of full-scale output or in units such as psi, bar, or pa. Resolution. This is the smallest change in pressure that the sensor can detect and is usually expressed in units such as psi, bar, or pa. Response time. This is the time it takes for the sensor to register a change in pressure and produce an output signal. It is typically measured in milliseconds. Temperature range. This is the range of temperatures in which the sensor can operate without losing accuracy or sensitivity. Output signal. This refers to the type of signal that the sensor produces in response to changes in pressure. Common output signals include analog voltage or current, digital signals such as I2C or SPI, or frequency outputs. Electrical connection. This refers to the type of electrical connection used to interface with the sensor, such as a connector or solder pads. Mechanical connection. This refers to the type of mechanical interface used to mount the sensor, such as a threaded fitting or adhesive.